Top 5 UK side hustles to increase your income in 2025. Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Carla, your millionaire mistress, and I help you make, manage and multiply your money so you can build real wealth and develop your millionaire mindset. Today, we're talking side hustles, extra streams of income you can build along your 9 to 5. Whether you're saving for a house, trying to crush debt, or just want more breathing room financially, these side hustles could change your life. Section 1. Why side hustles matter. Here's the truth. Relying on one income stream is risky in 2025. The average UK household spends £3,400 per month. And most people live paycheck to paycheck. Side hustles are how you increase your income without quitting your day job. And the best part? Many are flexible, scalable, and tax efficient if you know what you're doing. Side hustle number 1. Freelancing. Let's start with the classic, freelancing. If you can write, design, or manage social media, there's demand for those skills right now on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and People Per Hour. The pros? Flexible. You can work when you want. There's high income potential if you build a niche. You're building a portfolio you can scale into a business. Cons? It can be competitive at first. You're trading your time for money unless you systemize. Tax tip. If you earn more than £1,000 a year from freelancing, you need to register as self-employed with HMRC. You can deduct business-related expenses like a laptop, software, or Wi-Fi. Side hustle 2. Amazon FBA, which is fulfilled by Amazon. Ever thought about running your own e-commerce store without holding stock? That's Amazon FBA. You buy products wholesale, ship them to Amazon's warehouse, and they handle the rest. Delivery, customer service, and returns. Pros: passive once set up. Huge reach via Amazon. Can be scaled internationally. Cons: startup costs. Between £500 and £2,000 typically. Learning curve with sourcing, pay-per-click ads, and logistics. Amazon fees can eat into your margins. Tax tip. Register as a sole trader or limited company. You'll also need to track VAT if your turnover exceeds £90,000 per year, as of 2025. Keep receipts for product sourcing, tools like Helium 10 and other software subscriptions. Side hustle 3. Next up, delivery driving. Whether it's Uber Eats, Deliveroo, or Amazon Flex. If you've got a car, bike, or even a scooter, you can earn cash delivering during evenings and weekends. Pros: quick to start and flexible shifts. Perfect for evenings and weekends. No formal experience needed. Cons: wear and tear on your vehicle. Pay can vary depending on demand. You're technically self-employed, so no benefits. Tax tip. Track mileage, fuel, insurance, maintenance. You can claim many of these as expenses. Consider using an app like QuickBooks Self-Employed to log everything. Side hustle 4. Online tutoring or coaching. If you've got knowledge, you can sell it. Whether it's maths, tutoring, fitness coaching, or even teaching Excel. People pay for personalized help. Use sites like Superprof and Tutorful or start your own brand. Pros: high hourly rates, £20 to £50 plus, for monetizing your existing experience. Scalable into courses or digital products later. Cons: you need to market yourself or get listed. Scheduling clients can be tricky. Requires confidence in teaching others. Tax tip. Declare your income. If you teach from home, you can claim a portion of your home office expenses. If you're tutoring online, your laptop, webcam, and internet are all deductible as costs. Side hustle 5. Rent out a room or property. Airbnb or rent a room scheme. This one's for homeowners or renters with extra space. You can rent out a spare room on Airbnb or join the UK's rent-a-room scheme and earn up to £7,500 tax-free. Pros: high passive income potential. Minimum effort if guests are short-term. Great use of unused space. Cons: you need landlord permission if you're renting. There's potential wear and tear, and some local councils now regulate short lets. Tax tip: the £7,500 tax-free allowance only applies if you live in the same property. If you earn more, you'll also need to file a self-assessment tax return. Side hustles aren't just about money, they're about control, about freedom. Each of these can help you increase your income, accelerate your investments, and build the mindset that turns side cash into serious wealth. Let me know in the comments which hustle you're considering or already doing. And if you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and share it with a friend who needs that financial glow up. As always, don't just work for money, make your money work for you.